Yeah, it's the call to prayer. What do you think?
That's it for the light.
That shows.
Come on, sugar. You wanna go upstairs and eat, Claria? Come on, Scarlett.
Let's go.
That's it for the light. That's it for the light.
Like light. Yeah.
That's it for the bean.
That's the calling so everyone will go for prayer.
Pale. Say pale.
Prayer.
Say pale.
Prayer.
That's for the pale.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food.
We're going to get some food. So, Mom.
Well,
Hey,
first
Mom.
we gotta go pray, okay?
You like that?
That was really intense. That was our first experience. We just walked into the mall, and I don't know, maybe it's fate. Just kidding, Mom. That was the first time we got to hear the call of prayer, and it was at the mall. How funny is that? All right.
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa,
That's
it is
a leopard.
It's a leopard. You say bye-bye, I love you.
I love you.
Bye. She's like,